Do you hear that siren? Wow, it's a fire truck! Where is it rushing off to? Oh no, now all the vehicles are gone. Look, the airplane is taking off. Up it goes. Planes can take people from one place to another. This plane is flying way above the ground, right into the clouds. I can see clouds outside the window. Whoa, the colorful plane is zooming so fast. Some planes are even faster than cheetahs. Time to land. Let's fly it back where it belongs. There goes a big yellow school bus. School buses are yellow, so everyone can spot them, even from far away. Do you know where this school bus is headed? The flashing stoplights on the side of the bus tells all the cars to stop so children can pass safely. School buses take children to school and back. Backpacks ready and off to school. Let's park the school bus. Over here? Nope, right here. A ship is a big boat that travels on oceans, seas, and sometimes large rivers. They carry all sorts of things, like food, toys, and even cars. Some ships carry people too. Look at this one. It's breaking through the ice to get where it needs to be. Sail on, Captain, and the ship goes here. This black and white police car is going so fast. Do you think it's headed to help someone? Police cars have flashing lights and sirens, so everyone knows to move over. Did you know police cars come in all sorts of colors? In some countries, they even have green and blue. Can we park it here? Nope. It goes over here. Wow, look at all that steam! This train must be working very hard. Big cargo trains carry heavy things like coal, wood, and boxes of toys across the land. They go over bridges and through tunnels to keep things moving. Back on the tracks you go. What a beautiful boat! It's resting near the beach, ready for an adventure. Boats like this can take people fishing or just for a ride across lakes and seas. Have you ever been on a boat before? Anchors down and back you go. Look at this amazing red fire truck. The flashing lights mean that there's an emergency. The firefighters are on their way and getting ready to put out the fire. Fire trucks carry water, ladders, and big hoses to put out the fire fast. Let's park the fire truck. Wow, we finished the vehicle puzzle! Make sure you subscribe to watch more fun videos.